Shandong LongYe Machinery Company Limited is located at the foot of Taishan, which is famous both in China and abroad. The company covers an area of 36,000 square meters. We have more than 100 employees and more than 10 technical engineers. All of them are excellent talents in the field of drilling machinery. Our Shandong LongYe machines not only are popular throughout the country, but also are exported to more than 40 countries such as Africa, South America, Canada, Mongolia, Russia, the United States of America, Japan, Korea, Israel, Malaysia, Egypt, Philippines, Vietnam, Myanmar. Depending on excellent product quality, good market reputation, and extraordinary technical strength, our company rapidly rose and became a powerful professional drilling rig manufacturer with national influence. Relying on scientific and technological progress, we are pursuing excellent products. We have developed various types of drilling rigs, taking high-quality products and excellent service as enterprise life, adhering to dedication, integrity, excellence, and truth-seeking as the enterprise spirit. We successfully passed the ISO 9001 Quality Systems Certification, ISO 14001.2004 Environmental Management Systems Certification, CE certification. We win the market and achieve good social and economic benefits. Shandong LongYe Machinery is specialized in producing photovoltaic solar pile driver, solar drilling machine, mining blasting drilling rig, water well drilling rig, anchor drilling rig, and more than 10 models. Our solar piling drilling machine can be applied to various engineering technologies of ground screw pile, DTH hard rocky ground pile driving, concrete grouting pile, CHOT, other shaped steel pile driving according to customers' different terrain and construction technology. They can not only work on flat ground and slope ground, we also designed a multifunctional mountainous solar drilling rig, which can work on maximum 45-degree slope. The machine crawler track can expand up and down according to the slope degree. Our machine parts, such as hydraulic system and engine, all use China or international top brands that ensure the high reliability of our machines. Our solar piling machines cover more than 80% of the market in China market. We are China's #1 in the field of photovoltaic solar piling machines. Our company DTH Blasting Drilling Rig has more than 20 years of production experience. It has the advantages of high drilling efficiency, compact structure, flexibility, high climbing ability, low maintenance costs, and high reliability. It is an ideal drilling rig for rock drilling in mining, highway building, water conservancy, and power station construction. Our company has wheel type, crawler type, and truck mounted type water well drilling rigs with drilling depths of 120 meters, 150 meters, 200 meters, 260 meters, 350 meters, 650 meters, and 800 meters for customers' different demands. Innovation is the soul of an enterprise. Quality is the lifeblood of an enterprise. Only through continuous innovation and pursuit of excellence can we gain a firm foothold in the progressive industry. In LongYe Machinery, all LongYe people use wisdom and action to practice this theory. From R&D to raw material inspection, from manufacturing to product delivery, the whole process is strictly controlled, and the 3 inspection mode provides a reliable guarantee for the production of high-quality products. Customer satisfaction is the final standard of testing after-sales service. Perfect systematic after-sales service is the business service concept that we at LongYe Machinery have always adhered to. The company will support customers with better quality products and more thoughtful after-sales service. Shandong LongYe Machinery Company Limited will continue to uphold the advanced concept of scientific and technological innovation, excellence, integrity-based, walk forward together with every client.